Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to fade in audio. So there have been issues where you go to the effects tab and you try to go to toolbox, audio transitions, and you bring in the actual fade effect and it just doesn't work. It doesn't apply. This is a very simple way of fixing that issue by doing it a different way. So first we're going to bring our player head to the beginning, excuse me for the audio. And now what we're going to do is go to inspector, click on audio, and then now we see the volume. If we want to fade in, we want there to be no music in the beginning, right? So what we do is we add a keyframe, or actually, yeah, we add a keyframe, and we bring it all the way to -100. Ooh, it's a little scary, right? But I'm going to fix that real quick. Now that we've added a keyframe, and you can tell it by this red little, sideways square, what I'm gonna do is now is bring the player head over a little further where I want the audio to come in, and now I'm going to go into this -100 bar and just type in 0. Click enter, and now the keyframe automatically adds. So let's check out this fade in. And that's how you fade in DaVinci Resolve 19. It will always work. Sometimes the effects don't work, but you can just go into the inspector and create a fade in yourself. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.